Hello and welcome back to another awesome video. My name is Hitesh Jivan and I'm from uTyala STEM Institute. I will be helping you all throughout this video about getting to know the MBlock software. Let's get started. But first, a review of what we have covered so far. So let's run through a quick review exercise. So first things first, we're going to open up the MBlock software. Then we're going to choose our sprite, which is the panda. Then we're going to choose a background. So the background I've chosen is a nature one and it's the desert one. Once the desert has been chosen, we're gonna go to the events tab, click and drag when the space key is pressed and put it into our work area. Then we're gonna go to our looks block, click and drag say hello for 2 seconds and then reword that to too hot, I'm going to bloat. Next we're gonna choose the change size by 10, click and drag that underneath. We're then going to click and drag the say hello for 2 seconds and then reword that to I'm about to melt. Finally, we're going to choose the change color by effect 25 and we're going to change it to pixelated. Let's see what the result is. I will leave you to do this example by yourself. Let's see if you can do it. Flipbook animation. A flipbook animation is a book with a series of pictures that vary gradually from one page to the next, so that when the pages are turned rapidly, the pictures appear to animate by simulating motion or some other change. We're going to use this concept to get Panda to move. In order to get Panda to start moving, we have to follow a couple of steps. Step 1. After opening MBlock, there is a costume button at the bottom right of the sprite options. Click the costume button to enter the Panda customization interface. Step 2. Click different costumes to see each costume's name. Observe the change of Panda in the stage area. Step 3. You can exit the customization interface by clicking X and returning to the programming interface. Programming Knowledge Review. We click on the block area called Looks. We then select the next costume block. This specific block allows the sprite with multiple costumes to switch to the next one. The following steps is to get Panda 2 to move just like a flipbook animation. Step 1. Open the MBlock software. Click Sprite to enter the Sprite programming interface. Step 2. Select the block when the space key is pressed from the events and drag it to the script area. Step 3. Select the block next costume from Looks, attach it under the block when the space key is pressed. Step 4. Press the space bar several times to experience the effect of the program. This is the result of following the steps provided. Just have a look at what Panda is doing. Ever heard of the term loop? In programming, a loop is a sequence of instructions that is continuously repeated until a certain condition is reached. Programming Knowledge Review. We're looking at some terms with regards to programming. So firstly, we're going to be looking at the block area and we're going to be looking at the controls term. So we have two terms, which is the forever block and the repeat block for 10 times. We're going to differentiate them right now. The forever block repeatedly executes the action inside the block indefinitely, while the repeat block repeats the action inside the block for 10 times and then it stops. Therefore, it has a specific time limit. The following steps we are going to use the forever block and the repeat for 10 steps block. Step 1. Select the block forever from control, drag it to the script area and attach it under the block when the space key is pressed. Step 2. Select the block, repeat 10. From controls, drag it to the script area, attach it under the block when the space key is pressed, and replace the original block. This is the result after following the steps mentioned previously. As you can see, Panda appears to be running. To stop, we press the red button over here. Programming knowledge recap. First, we go to the control block area. We select the wait block. This block sets the time of an action. The waiting time can be changed by clicking on the white space and typing in the number of seconds you want. We're now going to see how the wait 1 second actually works. So, step 1. Select wait 1 second. From control, drag it to the script area and change the time to 0.5 seconds. Step 2. Attach the wait for 0.5 seconds block under the next costume inside the repeat 10 block. So guys, it's homework time. So there's two parts to this homework. The first part is Panda says march on the spot and then start moving. After we've done that, the second part is while moving, Panda shouts the positions of 1 or 2. Let's see if you guys can do it. Here's a bonus question. It's a little bit harder than the previous one. Do you guys think you can tackle it? So firstly, Panda wants to finish marching on the spot. After Panda marches on the spot for several seconds, say stand at attention. Then he takes 2 steps and stands still. Do you guys think you can get this one? Share your work with us by tagging us either on Facebook or Instagram by following the links in the description below. Yes guys, you've guessed it, it's quiz time. Time to see who has been paying attention. Try and get as many questions right as possible. That's it for this video. If any of you have any questions, drop a question in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you guys in the next video.